Hey guys, Jake Blow here, the Habitat Pro. Gonna give you a little bit of a heads up or a tip here on what we do with these Landmark 10-foot tower blinds. So it's a good deal, okay? It's a good deal to get up 10 feet, but this is very flimsy. I don't know if you can see that at all. It's very flimsy mesh. So here's what we do up on top. You can see we've got the blind up, we got it leveled. But then we go with treated plywood, 5/8, and we screw that through the deck. And then we go with the $3 carpet tiles right here so that we can get a little bit of a cushion underneath our fiberglass floor. Otherwise, it still flexes, it's very loud, and we're just looking to not announce our presence like that when we're up here getting into the blind. So that's what we're doing. It is one of those tips where you don't realize it. Yeah, you see that? You don't realize it. What you're getting with a cheaper blind is lower quality mesh, thinner metal. That's basically what you're getting. So that's what we do here at Habitat Pro with these blinds, because it is a good deal. They're I think I got them on sale for $600 right now, and we're putting an earth blind right up on top of here. We're gonna build it in place. But that is my tip for making that floor a lot quieter. This is Jake Blow, the Habitat Pro. We are in northern Minnesota. Get out and enjoy creation, guys. God bless.